that Erastus Asare-Donko and his three colleagues from Joy News experienced at the hands of armed men just a few weeks ago. Erastus joins us now. Of course, he's our environmental journalist, recently awarded by the Ghana Journalists Association. Erastus, good morning.
Good morning, Kojo.
Now, maybe you can just bring us straight up to date. What's the latest with the investigation by the police?
So there is not much information. I've been contacting the district commander for Mansour Dubia, one DSP Jan, and he keeps telling me that they've taken the case to the court and that the court is yet to give them a date for hearing. And so until they give them a date, there is not much to tell. So that's what they keep telling us.
And this involves the three individuals who surrendered themselves to the police station. Is that correct?
Yes, just the three people.
Have the police themselves made any arrests in connection to this case?
Not that I know of. I've been asking about it. As of yesterday, when I asked about it, they said they've not made any further arrests. It's just the three people. And even with the three people, they've given them police inquiry bill pending a date to be issued by the court.
Oh, so the police gave them bail?
Yes.
So those three people are not in police custody?
No.
And there is no court date?
No.
Erastus, so those pieces of equipment that were seized, have any of them been returned?
None of them have been returned, and that's what I keep telling the police, at least, because they promised us that they, when they showed the people themselves to us, and they promised us that they were going to lead to get the items for us. So I keep asking the district commander whether he's had any information on the items. He says no. They've not brought any items to him. And these items, Kojo, the drone batteries are very expensive. One will be around 4,000, and we have 5 of them in the bag. The tablets is around $750. These are things that we rented to do our job, and so we must get them back.
Yeah. Now, the police, have they issued any statements at all about the progress of this investigation?
Well, your guess is as good as mine. I have not seen any statement from the headquarters, and I am surprised because until now we would have seen a statement on the extent of investigations and what is to happen, or even to notify the public that something like that has happened, as the police do always. But no release as we speak.
Erastus, thank you for this update. It's not what we had hoped to hear, but at least we know that nothing has been done since we last spoke about this. Thank you for your time. That's Erastus Asare-Donko. I don't know. I feel like I don't have anything constructive to say.
Yes, but I'm not shocked. I'm used to this system where it is some people certain laws apply to, in other cases. Listen, if these guys were those demonstrators that were arrested around 37, no, we'd have done everything possible to charge them with whatever we think is reasonable, proceed to deny them bail, and make sure that they stay in jail till prosecution officially starts. But these people, especially when they had identified themselves as party people, I said earlier, different set of laws apply to them ridiculously. And the signal we are sending is impunity. That across the country, no journalist can also venture, and this is Erastus we are talking about. Imagine what other local journalists must be feeling on the ground, seeking among other things to venture into some of these areas to go and protect our collective forest and lands and also water bodies. And yet we are so convinced there's a fight ongoing. Yet we are very pleased with our so-called additional measures, and we have basically swept it under carpet as if nothing happened. There was this statement from Bryce Simon some time ago about missing opportunities for change. That is, we're not taking advantage of crisis. He talked about financial crisis, the one we just went through with the domestic debt exchange and other debt exchange. Then secondly brought in the other issue to do with this guy. I'm afraid we have already reached there. We have already gone past the point where it shocks us and we with disbelief would act. No. Now it's just if you hear any grouping at all. I mean, our last hope was a certain strike by UTAC, which has been suspended to, of course, put on ice, which means forever gone. So today, we are all carrying on as if nothing is happening in this country. And the gentleman who brought us, who woke the entire nation up to this particular situation, is the one that we are attacking on the ground. We are not congratulating. No. We are attacking him, the one who gave us the wake-up call. We are attacking him. We are not attacking the people who are destroying the water bodies.
And this country, with all its law enforcement power, all the power and might of the police that can arrest demonstrators, protesters, and all kinds of people, cannot arrest these 10-odd ragtag band of kidnappers. They can't.
If you want to know how we are serious, what did we charge them with? What exactly were they charged with? Which court are we intending to put them before?
There's nothing. There's nothing. They've been released on bail.
Yeah.